we've missed this. We haven't been together. It feels like forever, but it's only been a couple of years. But how wonderful to come together and see how the churches have grown.
So great, one heart, one longing, one purpose.
It's great to walk in what we're currently walking in, but God has far more for us in our lives and in the nations.
There is another generation that is arising, a generation that is passionate for God.
You come to a place like this and you've got almost just under 4,000 people with one purpose, one mind, one heart.
Today is the day that the conscience needs to wake up and that the presence of God needs to come back and that the fear of God can grip our hearts.
Jesus says when the Holy Spirit comes upon you, you're going to receive power and it's going to spread.
We have been refocused, realigned, and we want to thank God. We go back revived, really.
Guys, he's reaching out right now.
The word really has been powerful. I think the last couple of days have just been a real alignment of our hearts and our minds.
We are better together.
That, Lord, there be a sense of your kingdom and your power and your glory breaking out across everywhere that we put our feet, Lord.